Okay, my friends, we are still on lesson 1-10 where we are learning our threes today. And we've done our quick practice to see our threes count bys. I want to take a quick moment to talk about patterns you noticed in our threes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Make sure you're all sitting up, your masks are up. We are ready to participate. And just looking at these, does anybody notice any patterns that you see in our threes facts or anything? Kevin?
Goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so just like normal, we did them in order. So one group of three, two groups of three, three groups of three. Good. Good observation, Miss Braylon. Check your jingling, please.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 21.
So what do you notice about a pattern in those, Braylon? They go up and down by threes. So we're right here. So we're still counting by our count bys, which is threes, yes. Skylar?
Hey.
Do you see any familiar count bys in there that maybe we've learned?
There's a triangle.
Well, yeah, we keep getting another group of three, so it makes that triangle pattern again with our repeated additions. Keegan?
Every number, when you add it up so many times, sometimes it'll go like with when you add 9 up so many times, it becomes 9. And then you add 3 up a lot of times, then you get 30.
Did you notice that 9 is one of our count bys? So if I have 3, 1, 2, 3 groups of 3, I get 9. So do you think every third count by might be a 9's fact? Let's check. 9, 18, 27. Oh, so every third fact would be a 9's fact because 3 groups of 3 gets us 9. Nice. Do you notice any other patterns with these numbers? I've got a 3 and then a 6, and then a 9 and then a 12. And I know that they're 3 apart because I'm counting by threes, but what's something you notice about what type of number this is, what type of number this is? Think about that. See if anybody can find it. I don't want to give you a chance to talk with neighbors. What do you know about like every other number, like 3, 9, 15, 21, and 27? And then 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Ready? Teach.
I don't have any. Okay.
Turn to a group near you. Same to you. You turn to a group near you. What do you notice about every other number? What is the pattern you see? Tootsie Rolls. Get yourselves back into those listening positions. I'm wondering who found a pattern with every other number who can share what their group discovered. Mr. Hendricks.
There's 3 ones, then there's 3 teams.
Oh, so you noticed a pattern in the 10 spot. There was ones and then twos, and then there's probably going to be 3 threes.
Yeah, but there's 3 of all of them.
Yeah. Good catch. Good catch. Who was in your group, Hendricks? You and Hadley. Very cool. Who else noticed a different pattern? Emerson.
It goes odd, even, odd, even, odd, even.
How many of you found that? That was great. That's great work, friends. What do you say?
Oh, yeah.
Also, you did earn 2 of your 3 points coming back from specials. We started talking on the way back from specials, but our trip to the restroom was awesome. So who's in your group, Emerson? You 3? Awesome. Awesome. Make sure you save those for after lunch. They do go odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. And that's because 3 is an odd number, but guess what? Every other time, it's going to have partners. Right? Good observation. So then, the next thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is, what are some things that come in groups of 3? We talked about pairs when we did our 2's count bys, and we talked about how like your eyes and your ears and feet all come in pairs. What are some things that come in groups of 3? Who has an idea of something that comes in a group of 3? I'm thinking there's a shape that always has 3 sides. Rylan?
Triangle.
A triangle always has 3 sides. Is there anything else that you know always has 3 of something? So that we're kind of getting our brains ready for things that are in 3s. I have a few things that always come in 3s. Are you ready?
Yes, we know.
Triangles. Would you agree?
Yes.
Triangles always have 3 sides, so you could count by 3s to figure out the sides on triangles. We talked about 3-wheelers. I think she was talking about the ATV, but also tricycles, right? Tricycles always have 3 wheels. This is another one. Tripods. A tripod stand has 3 legs. Very good. So, instead of counting by all of our 3s, we can. So we'll do it for just the tripods here, and then I'll move on. We can count by 3s, and it helps. I always use that jingle when I count by my 3s. But I'm going to show you a trick after this. So let's go ahead and start by counting by our 3s. I got to find my little, I'll just use a pencil here. Try that jingle with me. We're going to practice it once, and then we'll write it down. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and we're done. So see if you can sing it again, and I'll write it down. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21.
Woo! And we're gonna stop. Nice work. That's hard to keep up with you guys on the song. So just for you guys, if you are ever using that jingle to remember your count bys, you might have to really slow it down to write it. Or if you're just forgetting one count by, you can sing it really fast to get to that one and then be like, oh, that's what it was. There are 7 tripods here. How many total legs would that be? Who can find it for me? Miss Madison. There are 21 total. Very good. Who can give me a multiplication for that?